Hello, welcome back. This is James Area from Axure. Today we're going to look at a hamburger menu, how we can do it on mobile. There's a question I saw on the forum and I just thought let me make this short video tutorial to show the user who is asking this question. Also, you can use it for your mobile app prototype if you want to. The way it's going to be done is very simple. As you can see on this page here, I have this widget that I've placed. I just used 3 horizontal line and wrap it inside a rectangle shape. The rectangle shape, if I bring it out, the rectangle shape is transparent and it's sent to front. So I bring this rectangle shape to front and I just did it. So let's move it back to where it is. And the interaction that I added was actually on the rectangle shape itself, not on the horizontal line. So if we look at the widget and interaction note, we can see we have bring menu bar to front and bring a menu bar and show slide bar, show menu bar slide right. And what we've done here is we've created a menu bar. So if we look at the dynamic panel, I've created a menu bar with a dynamic panel. And if we look at the states, we have here the dynamic panel plus what the area we're going to use to close the hamburger menu. Because the way we have it is when the user click the hamburger menu here, then the page is gonna the menu bar is gonna slide out, and when they click the gray area, it's gonna slide back instead of using the Lightbox option, which sometimes you might not be able to remove it from your prototype effect if you are viewing on a browser. But of course, if you are viewing your mobile prototype on a mobile app, then the Lightbox option will not really take effect. So let's look at how this works now, and let's go back to the dynamic panel state and let's look at how we close it. We just close it by saying slide back, and then we send this to back. So we just say send to back and we'll save it. If we preview this prototype now, we can click here and we can see a slide bar. We can see this area that we've created. We've just created with another shape, but with a more opacity in the background color. So if I click it, it goes back and the menu bar shows. If I click it, it goes back and the menu bar shows. So that's how you can actually do your hamburger menu instead of creating an hamburger effect that will show Lightbox. If we go back to this interaction, under this show, you can see this more option. I didn't show anything like a treat as Lightbox. I just leave it as none because I've created that background effect when the menu open with a gray area here. So I just use this color, this number, you can see 183346, and I just set the opacity to 45. You can set it to less than that as well to make it more transparent. So let's test it again for the last time. We go to the browser, refresh, and we can slide, open the hamburger menu, we can close it. So we don't need to have the Lightbox effect. If I choose the Lightbox, let's see what's gonna happen if I put the Lightbox and I say treat as Lightbox and I save it. If we go back and refresh, what we're going to see is that every area will be grayed out, and that's what we don't want. So, and you can see it's going to look somehow if you are previewing on a browser, of course. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the treat as Lightbox and just set it to none. Okay, So what you need basically is you need the Hamburger menu to only have two keys. Bring the widget to front and show the widget by sliding it right. And we will also go to the dynamic panel state. And what we need in the dynamic panel state is to add this hide menu bar, slide left, and send menu bar back to left. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question, drop me an email or subscribe to my channel, and I will be glad to help you. Thank you. Bye.